Hello everyone, welcome to Vyas Edification. In this session we are going to discuss NCERT and exercise solutions of class 11 chapter number 4. This is motion in a plane. Clear? So in this lecture we will discuss about all the end exercise questions and with the detailed solutions. Clear? In each question I will try to cover all of the concept behind that question also. Clear to you? So for all the solutions, concentrate on a screen. Now dear student, we are going to discuss question number 4.1, and in this question there are some physical quantities are given to you and we have to find here out of these physical quantities which quantity is a scalar quantity and which one is vector quantity. Clear? So first what I am doing here, I am writing here scalar and here I am writing vector. Now we will try to analyze that which physical quantity is a scalar and which one is vector. Clear? Now dear student, do you know what is scalar quantities? Physical quantities that is are having unit as well as the magnitude. Clear? Then we can say that quantities are scalar quantity. But with addition of magnitude, unit, if they are having a direction as well as they follow law of vector addition, then we can say these physical quantities are known as vectors. Clear? So in short, if I say to you, if with magnitude and the unit, if we have addition of direction, or we can say the physical quantity is following law of vector addition, then we can say that quantities are vector. Clear to you? So now we have to find here which one is a scalar quantity and which one is vector quantity. Clear? So now concentrate. If we talk about volume, clear? Let's suppose if I am saying the volume of this container is, let's suppose 20 meter cube. Clear? Now we can say 20 is representing here magnitude and meter cube is a unit of volume. Clear? So it means we are getting complete information by these two quantities, magnitude as well as unit. Clear? So now we can say in volume we never discuss about the direction. Clear? So we can say volume is a scalar quantity. So I can write like this. Here we have volume and volume is a scalar quantity. Clear to everyone? So this one we have discussed. Now if we talk about mass, let's suppose if I am saying to you, let's suppose this stylus is having mass 50 gram. Clear? It means what I am saying to you, 50 is the magnitude and gram is a unit. Clear? Again I can say here I am getting magnitude as well as unit. So I can say mass is also a scalar quantity. Yes or no? Now if we talk about speed, let's suppose if we say, let's suppose we have a car and a car is moving with a speed 35 km per hour. It means we are getting a complete information that this car is moving with 35 magnitude means 35 and kilometer per hour is a unit. So we are getting complete information by knowing magnitude as well as the unit of speed. Clear? It means we can say speed is also a scalar quantity. Clear to everyone? Now we are going to discuss acceleration. Now dear student, we know acceleration is defined as change in velocity per unit time. Clear? And we know velocity is what? Velocity is having magnitude, unit as well as direction. Clear? So in velocity, direction is always associated. So we can say velocity is a vector quantity. So we can say acceleration, because it is defined as rate of change of velocity. So acceleration is also a vector quantity. So we can say acceleration, we can write acceleration in vector quantity. Clear to everyone? Okay. Now if we talk about density. Now dear student, what is density? Density is actually defined, especially we are talking about, because we are talking about kinematics. So we can say here we are talking about mass density. So density is defined as mass per unit volume. Clear? Now we know mass is a scalar quantity and volume is also scalar quantity. Clear? So now we can say density is also scalar. Clear? So we will put this density in scalar quantity. Clear to everyone? Now if we talk about number of moles, clear? Number of moles means number of moles. number of moles we can calculate. Let's suppose we can say a substance is having n number of moles. Clear? It means we can say if we know here total quantity, then we can say this number of moles can easily be defined. So number of moles is also comes into category of scalar quantity. Clear? Now if we talk about velocity, now we have already seen that velocity is a vector quantity, so we will put velocity in vector quantity. Clear to everyone? Yes. Now if we talk about angular frequency, now this angular frequency is actually, if you know formula of angular frequency, this is written like this, this is 2 pi by t. Clear? Yes or no? So we can say time is what? Scalar quantity, and 2 pi is what? Angle is having a unit that is radian. Clear? So we can say here, if we talk about angular frequency, so angular frequency, just a minute. If we talk about angular frequency, so angular frequency is actually, this is scalar quantity. So we can also always put this quantity in a scalar category. Clear to you? Now if we talk about displacement, displacement is defined as a minimum shortest distance between final point and initial point. Clear? Or you can say it is minimum straight line distance between initial and final point. Clear? It means here with the magnitude and the unit, we are also specifying direction of this physical quantity, and the direction is what? From initial to final position. Clear? So we can say displacement also put in the category, comes into category of vector. Clear everyone? Yes. Now if we talk about angular velocity, now you can see, if you know the different types of a vector. Clear? Angular velocity comes into the category of axial vector. Clear? And axial vectors are having a direction always along the axis of rotation. Clear? So we can say angular velocity we will put in the category of vector. So this comes into category of vector. Clear to everyone? So this is all about this question. Clear?